Hey guys, look, today I'm going to show you how to brush your teeth with one of these. And then you can floss it with one of these. Why are you always following me with that camera? Okay guys, look at this. This is what I like to call a 360 camera. Using a human being as the 360 motion detector. I just tripped on the tools. It didn't hurt, it just surprised me. Ow. Gritty. Tastes like blood.
Hey, you see, I was sitting on this. Yeah.
Use an old scoop.
Yep.
The old buckaroo.
Now, we were trying to make an intro where he's gonna walk out that door and start the channel. But yet, this guy said it would be too
I don't want to hit the trash can. Would you want to hit the trash can?
What? What comes to the door and be like? Okay.
And you're gonna hit my vape.
There you go. Fantastic day out here, aren't we? That's the reason why we couldn't do it today. He's an idiot.
This thing is so fun.
Alright, so we're going to try to get back to the video. We just... we messed up the skit and everything, so...
We're having too much fun.
Yeah.
We might get back to the video.
Yeah, we might. We're trying to be serious, but...
When you have toys to play with, it's kind of hard. What you putting your hands out like that for? Playing patty cake.
Oh yeah! Yeah! We should play patty cake.
No! We have a video to do.
Oh shit. Oh, sorry. But
Are we still rolling on that?
yeah.
My God, you're killing our time. Alright, hold on. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.